Can you describe a typical day at the camp?
Well, for me, because I didn't go to Kinderwelt, I didn't sleep there. I don't know, was rather foolish. Well, as I get up, have breakfast, which was always enormous and great. My father planned all the meals, did all the buying of food, took care of everything, in the kitchen and dining room. And I would always make friends. We'd either go play some tennis. There was a basketball court and there was a handball court. We'd play around there. For years, they had a pool. You'd walk a lot of distance, which was absolutely great, downhill to the pool. And there was the casino, which was wonderful. Not only were there shows, there was always dancing. There were, and a lot of the dances, we'd always do horas and Russian shares and troika and, all of that. In addition to a band would play regular music. I'd go to Kinderwelt during the day very often, work in arts and crafts and things like that. For some stupid reason, I never really wanted to stay in a bunk. Had loads of friends who did, but I always had friends who came to Unser Camp as well.
So you stayed on the family side?
Yeah. And I don't know, it was just always a great book. I can't tell you, just a great time.